Look how much it's raining. It's raining hard.
So bad.
Yeah, it's storm. Let's go.
Oh my god, the engine to your car's open.
I know.
Dude, my
Leave it
phone,
open.
my phone's gonna get wet. I'm gonna take off my sweater.
It's raining hard.
Like this, like, hold the phone.
Go like this, no like this.
Dude, what about in the mountains?
Like that. And like that. Yeah. Oh my god! There's almost a flood. There's a flood in the street. I see papers just rolling down.
Oh
Wanna go?
my-
Let's go in, Joseph. Dude, it's about to have a flood. Let's go.
Hey, we're in a drought. We're in a drought, so it's good.
Let's go.
Let's go. You go first and I'll go.
Let's run to the street. Alright, run. Oh, no, wait, everybody.
Dude, my phone. Oh my god, no, move!
Soak the shit out.
What the hell? Okay, right.
Like you ran this Oh no, I'm not gonna do this to get out here.
No. Go in. And
It got in my shoes, Joseph. The water. It gets in your shoes.
Wait, I think it's supposed to be like this.
Go. Joseph.
you got all wet.
We ran to the middle of the street. It's all flooded in the street. It's up to the sidewalk. My shoes are wet.
I couldn't do it because of the
Oh, it's
phone.
flooded. It's flooded to the sidewalk, Joseph.
Yeah.
Hey, there's like trash going down to the road. Oh, it's in my socks and
I didn't really get that wet.
How? We only ran like.
I think this
4
was my
seconds.
bottle. He drank from it. I think he drank from my bottle, Freddy. Remember? I had it over there.
No, this one's mine because I put it like this.
Oh my god. Well, let's go drive. No.